All right, welcome again to MG Sports TV, people. Hopefully, you guys are doing good. Hopefully, you guys are doing wonderful. And certainly, we're here to discuss another youngster targeted by the JFF. According to reports, you will see that from another prominent English Premier League top flight club. So we're going to get into that. But before we do that, people, please do the normal regulatory YouTube stuff, which is like, share, and subscribe. Join the family. Also, would really appreciate if you guys join the Patreon, either the Patreon or the membership, just to help continue, just to support of the channel. It's one of the best way to support the channel. Anyways, let me give a shout out to our channel members. Raymond Austin and Ravan Bennett, only 2 persons in the Patreon at this present moment. So we're working on it. We are certainly working on it. The channel members know of the military squad. We have the original Zilla, Jermaine Swaby, Rose Gold, David Beckham, Feather 5, Black Icon 40, Kyle Wallace from the Reggae Boyz Supporters Club, Liebel, Marsden Ricketts, Jamil Winter, Rocco Reacts, Devon Hughes, Ira Link Up, and D. Ellisworth. My respect to you guys. Unfortunately, I woke up with a headache, so I'm just going to take my time and go through. So let me not waste any more of your time. As you can see here, so Lily White Rose, they are a platform which reports on numerous Tottenham Hotspurs updates, youth academies. They have the scoop. They have the scoop. I mean, they really do have the scoop, and they definitely bring across some very, very valid information. So this is what they reported. Understand that Jamaica are considering a senior call-up for Tottenham Hotspur academy midfielder Tyrese Hall. The 17-year-old has come off the back of a phenomenal season, winning both U17 and U18 Premier League Cup with Spurs. Remember that there is a U20 tournament coming up. Remember that. Please remember that. U23? Is it U23? I think it is U23. I think so. So, I love the fact that, you know what? Let me just show you guys a little bit of a little much details on him. So this is the season that he had. As you can see, 18 appearance, 4 goals, 2 assists, 1 yellow card, attacking midfielder, central midfielder / attacking midfielder. So this is actually, I like this. Let me tell you why I like this. It's important that we understand in life our weakness. And Jamaica football, if you look at even the team that we have right now, the biggest weakness we have in that team is our midfield. The midfield is significantly weak. Now, if we start to look at high quality players from as early as now, for that particular position, when they hit that peak, we would be in good standing. We'd be really, really good standing. So I like the fact that the JFF are looking at these age bracket. Definitely. There's also I think it was called, I don't remember the player, but no, we won't get into that. Anyways, so it's gonna keep on track. So Tyrese Hall is one of the players that they are currently the JFF is currently looking at, and apparently, as you can see from the reports, that it has now made public that, so you know, once JFF make themselves known that, hey, we're looking at this player, automatically you know who's going to come, right? You know who exactly will be popping up out of nowhere. But certainly this one is a good one for me. I believe that certainly this is the moves that we should be making. Get them as early as possible, especially the midfielders. We are so weak where the midfield is concerned. Fix up our midfield. So this seems to be Operation Fix the Midfield. Fix the Reggae Boyz midfield. Anyways, so people, tell us what you think about this one. Let us what you think about this one. We think this is a good move by JFF, especially a central midfielder. This is a position that we need to fix for a long time now. Tell us what you think, people. 17-year-old, certainly we'll see how this one materializes. Big up, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Until next time, MG Sports TV, people. Wrote. Boom.